Student, today we are last part of the chapter, that is on the trail, and you see the page number 85, and this is the last paragraph of the lesson. That evening, the group gathered in a large dining tent to share stories of the day's trek. Dinner was plentiful and nutritious: potatoes and meat with dal bhat, boiled rice, pulses and vegetables. We celebrated a birthday with a handmade cake the Sherpas had baked over the fire. With a full belly, I contentedly went back to my tent, slipped into my sleeping bag, and fell fast asleep. So, student, you listen. That evening, the group or the trekkers gathered in a large dining tent because there was no any flat or building or house, but there was a large dining tent, and in that all the trekkers had gathered to share their stories of the day's trek. Means what problems, what are difficulties the trekkers faced that they discussed uh, in the dining tent, and after that only they had their dinner, and dinner was plentiful and nutritious, and the things or the things that were served to them were potatoes and meat with dal bhat, and also they were served boiled rice, pulses and vegetables. And the trekkers celebrated a birthday and with a handmade cake, and that handmade cake the Sherpas had baked over the fire because um, um, there was not easy to make the cake. Therefore, the Sherpas had baked the cake over the fire only. And after having all those things, with a full belly, means with a full stomach, the writer happily went back to his tent, slipped into his sleeping bag, and fell fast asleep. Students, you know only that after taking our dinner, we feel very asleep. And here also, as soon as the writer and the other trekkers had their dinner, and they could not able to wait any longer, and they all went back to their tent and slept into their sleeping bag, and they were fast asleep because whole day they were tired of trekking, and that is why as soon as they took their dinner they were feeling very much sleepy, and for that reason only as soon as they entered their sleeping bag they fell fast asleep. So students, those who like to do trekking, you can have this adventure, because trekking is to also fall in one of the adventure, like, because if you are interested you may go on trekking. So students, you try it and you can enjoy the natural scenery of the mountains, and you may face lot of difficulties while trekking. So if you want to have experience on trekking, you may go for trekking. Students, with this only I ended this chapter. So students, you see page number 86. Here it is given, match the following with column A with column B. Number A, gigantic? Answer will be, I was horrified to see the enormous pile of laundry once I returned from the trip. Once more I am repeating, gigantic. I was horrified to see the enormous pile of laundry once I returned from the trip. Number B, hobble, and the answer will be 3. The blister caused by my new shoe made me limp and walking was painful. Hobble. The blister caused by my new shoe made me limp and walking was painful. C, you see, lush. The garden behind our house is so full of green plants and trees that it looks like a forest. Lush. The garden behind our house is so full of green plants and trees that it looks like a forest. Number D, nutritious. Our hostel serves healthy meals. Nutritious. Our hostel serves healthy meals. Now E, ascended. She climbed up the staircase. Ascended. She climbed up the staircase. Now, student, you see 2. Sort the given activities under the correct category in the table on the next page. The first one has been done for you. So the words are given here: trekking, safari, snorkeling, rock climbing, scuba diving, ballooning, skiing, bird watching, rafting, skydiving, camping, paragliding. So, student, you see page number 87. Here it is divided into 4 parts. First one is mountain activities. Second one is forest and desert activities. Third one is beach and water activities. And fourth one is aero activities. So, student, you see, first one, it is given only mountain activities. First answer is already given there, that is trekking. Second one will be camping, rock climbing, and skiing. In mountain activities, these activities will fall, you see. Number 1, trekking. Number 2, camping. Number 3, rock climbing. And number 4, skiing. These will fall in mountain activities. Now next you see forest and desert activities. In forest and desert activities, the activities will fall like safari, bird watching, camping. Once more I am repeating. First one will be safari, second one will be bird watching, and third one will be camping. Now third one you see beach and water activities. In beach and water activities, first one will be scuba diving, second one will be rafting, and third one will be snorkeling. Once more I am repeating. First one will be scuba diving, second one will be rafting, and third one will be snorkeling. Now fourth one you see, it is aero activities. First one will be ballooning, second one will be skydiving, and third one will be paragliding. Once more I am repeating. First one will be ballooning, second one will be skydiving, and third one will be paragliding. From beginning I am repeating once more. Mountain activities: trekking, camping, rock climbing, skiing. Forest and desert activities: safari, bird watching, camping. Beach and water activities, scuba diving, rafting, snorkeling. Aero activities, ballooning, skydiving, paragliding. So student, these were the exercise. Again, question answers I'll give you in the WhatsApp, and student, you try to write the question answer very neat and clean. So when the school will reopen, I'll check your copies. So you don't try to write mistakenly from the WhatsApp. You try to, after writing, you please check it so that you can write the answer correctly, and after writing the answers you learn it. And if you have any doubt, you try to clear up, or if you are not understanding it, you can ask me also. And students, those hard words, many hard words are here. You underline the hard words and you try to learn the spellings. If you do the spelling mistakes, then it will be not good for you later on. So from now onwards, if you'll do the spelling, or if you'll write the spellings correctly, it will be helpful for you in the future. Okay student, thank you.